Hey guys, today I'm going to be walking you through how to make espresso drinks, specifically cappuccinos. Depending on the settings of the espresso machine, the outcome will vary. What doesn't change will be the measurements that you weigh for each shot. A typical dose when grinded into the portafilter should be between 19 to 21 grams, depending on how old the beans are. The older they are, the more grinds it would take to get the desired flavor. Notice how she taps it twice to even out the grinds. When tampering the grinds in the portafilter, you want a clean and evenly firm press to ensure that the hot water runs through it correctly. When the shot is pouring out, it should run consistently for 1.5 fluid ounces in between 23 to 25 seconds. If the shot runs too early, the grind needs to be adjusted to a finer time for the grinds to take longer to run out, and vice versa. When the shot pours out, you should have generally prepared your milk to be steamed. Depending on the espresso drink, you pour the milk to the desired amount. For a cappuccino, it should be eyeballed to around 85 milliliters. When stretching your milk, you would want to make sure that the milk gets steamed just the right amount at the right temperature. Allowing air in 2 to 3 short bursts and at around 150 degrees, just slightly hot to the touch, should just be fine. When pouring the milk, it's important to not waste time as the espresso is getting old along with the milk's foam. Pouring into the pool of the espresso, you keep your pouring consistent until you get to the lip of the cup when angled, and begin to pour the rest of the milk, just barely touching the coffee to let the foam sit. When espresso drinks sit around for a long period of time, air within the milk rises to the top, giving you this. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Here's a couple examples of me pouring some milk. It takes practice until you get pretty good at it. And while I'm not the best, I still enjoy making quality coffee for my customers.